Hi everyone. So first of all, let me thank you all just for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, hello, my name is Ayana, or you can call me Anna. I am the voice behind all of the Southern entertaining videos. So if you're new to this channel and you're into gardening, cooking, entertaining, and sometimes product reviews, we definitely would love to have you as a subscriber. If you are an old subscriber, I want to thank you personally for stopping by, taking the time out of your day to watch our videos. So thank you so very much. So let's get into what this video is about. I'm quite sure you all seen the title, but let's just talk a little bit. Y'all know I'm not going to keep this video long. I know I say that every time and it's like 30 minutes, but seriously, I'm not going to be long. I'm going to get right into it, but I do have to tell you like a little bit of something. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I am going to be totally honest with you all. Roses has never been one of my favorite flowers, and I guess I was so accustomed to like a traditional rose, red rose. They never smelled, and then you get 12 stems, and I'm like, I don't see the big deal. Like my husband will tell you right now, I'll tell him, don't buy me roses, just buy me a plant. Buy me some type of plant, because I don't want the roses, because I don't know. They were just the traditional roses. So I was all on social media seeing all these different type of roses. People love roses. Oh, they smell good, this, that, and the other. So I'm like, okay, let me do some research and see what's going on. So I did my research. I came across David Austin roses. And so the descriptions in there, y'all, I'm telling you, with the description of the smell and the petal count, I'm like, okay. So knowing the person I am, I don't just order one, I ordered 3. And I'll link that video in the card somewhere on the screen. So we ordered 2 Desdemona roses and 1 Queen of Sweden. They came beautifully packed. We followed the instructions and we went ahead and planted them in the ground. Y'all, once they start growing, they were so pretty. They were so pretty, and they smelled like they actually had a smell. So I was amazed. So I'm like, okay, this is why people are saying roses are one of their favorite flowers, because they actually have a rose that has a scent, a rose that is beautiful, a rose that has like 70 to 110 petal counts, you know? And so last year I used them in some of my cut flower arrangements, and I'll try to flash some on the screen. But this year I told myself, okay, you cannot continue to order roses. So I did order 1, but I felt like, let's welcome spring in a good way. Let's bring spring in with happiness, with positivity. So what I want to do is offer one lucky winner this David Austin giveaway that is strictly just showing my appreciation. But let me just tell you all right now, it is only over on Instagram right now. I'm starting it off on Instagram. Don't be discouraged. I'll put my Instagram handle somewhere on the screen, but just go on over to Instagram and just follow the rules and you will be entered. Now, the reason I say don't be discouraged, because I definitely have some giveaways planned on YouTube. So just make sure you subscribe and tap the bell. And once we start our giveaways on YouTube, that way you'll be notified. So, okay, you guys, enough of me talking. Let me show you what you are going to get. And then we are going to go over the rules that are going to be over on Instagram for you to enter and be one of the and to be entered into the contest. And then seriously, we are ending this video. Okay, y'all, so let's get this giveaway going. So let me show you what you're going to get in the David Austin giveaway. So first thing, and I hope you all can see it, is the 2-pin set. One is like a plant and one says plant lady, but you don't have to be a lady to enter. Just give it away to one of your friends. And I thought that was cute. This is cute because I'm going to show you what else you get with it so that you can use these pens. You're going to get a small garden journal here, which will be perfect. Like if you wear like a little apron outside, or even if you just got a pocket, you can just slip this in here. And then you can write with these pens. And what I like about it is on the inside, the only reason why I'm opening it so I can show you all, but I'm going to close it back when I put it in the mail. But I like this, and I actually have one because this way you don't have to carry like a big piece of paper outside, and I hope you all can see it. But it has like, can you guys see this? Oh, like the gardening season. Basically, you can put your notes in here about where you planted it, garden preparation, the weather conditions, the date. So it's like lined, so you can put special notes in here about the plant. And that's good, especially if you are trying like something new, like a new seed, like I always have, new stuff I want to try. You can definitely use this little journal, and you can go back over years. Like that's what I did. In one of my journals like this, the seed packages, I stapled them in there and went back to see how they did, because everything does not do good here. So that way you'll know. So you're going to get this garden journal. Okay, you are going to get the 2020 David Austin catalog that has all of the beautiful roses, the colors, the smells. Get our rose in. We'll definitely share it with you. It is a container rose, and they ship out based on your zone. Now, I got the potted plant. You have a choice if they have it in stock between the bare root and the potted plant. Totally up to you how you want to do it. I just like just putting it in the ground and being done. But you could do the same thing with the bare root too. But so you're going to get this. And lastly, you guys, this is the big thing. You are going to get a $50 David Austin gift card, courtesy of Southern Entertaining. So you can pick out whatever you want to. You can pick out whatever type of rose that you want to. And I hope that you just enjoy the experience as much as I did when I first ordered David Austin roses. Okay, so let me put the rules on the screen, and it'll show you everything that you get. Again, this is only over on Instagram, but as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you share this video with your family and your friends so that way they can enter too. If you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a video. Again, good luck, you guys. I'll put the rules in the screenshot here. And until the next video, bye-bye. Okay, so here are the giveaway rules in order to be entered into the David Austin Roses giveaway. So first thing first, you have to be following us on Instagram. So go ahead over to Instagram and follow us at Southern Entertaining. We ask that you please don't follow to unfollow, because you must be following when the winner is chosen. You also have to like the David Austin giveaway post, and then you also have to comment on the David Austin giveaway post and let us know what is your favorite rose color, and you also have to tag 2 of your friends. You must be 18 or older or have permission to provide us your shipping address if you're chosen as the winner. We will not be selecting a winner that is from a promotional or a giveaway account. I am so sorry, you all, but this is only open to U.S. residents only, because I am paying for the shipping costs, and sometimes the shipping can get very expensive. So we're only opening this to U.S. residents only. This is not a sponsored giveaway. This is a gift coming directly from me to one lucky winner that we are going to choose. And this giveaway is no way affiliated with Instagram. And the giveaway will end March 22nd, 2020. at 12:59 Eastern Standard Time. So again, tell all your friends so that they can enter, and good luck to you all. And we will announce the winner on our social media accounts.